Salut tout le monde! Today, we're testing your advanced French vocabulary with a high-level B1 to B2 speed quiz. I'll give you a definition, synonym, or tricky false friend in French, and you have 5 seconds to guess the right word before time runs out. Ready? Let's go! Round 1. Synonyms and formal words.
First word, what's a more formal way to say fatigué?
The correct answer is épuisé. Say it with me. Épuisé, épuisé. Round 2. Expressions and idioms.
What does the French idiom tomber dans les pommes mean?
It means to faint. Say it with me. Tomber dans les pommes. Round 3. False friends or faux amis.
Which of these words is a false friend, actuellement or réellement?
The correct answer is actuellement. It does not mean actually, it means currently. Bonus round, the hardest words in French.
Final challenge. What's the French word for whisper?
It's chuchoter. Repeat after me, chuchoter. Et voilà! How many words did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you want to master French at the B1 to B2 level, check out our advanced course. Like, subscribe, and challenge yourself every week. À bientôt! The correct conjugation